good morning. This is Oscar Diaz-Albertini with Pricer Blanc Nissan, and I'm here to show you one of Nissan's newest innovations, which is called Easy Fill Tire Alert. And that's exactly what it is, Easy Fill Tire Alert. No longer the guessing game of figuring out how much air pressure to put into your tires. Nissan has figured this out for you and me too. And that's a great innovation that's very dear to my heart. That way I'm never, at work and my wife calls me and, hey, I need to put air in the tire, I'm busy working, whatever, have to stop what I'm doing to go put air in her tires. Now she can do it herself. And I'll show you how simple this is. Simply go to your gas station, go to the air compressor, put your money in, hook up the air gauge to it, and very simply, as I'm doing, start putting air in your tire. Now, there it is. You heard one honk. It's done. It's that easy. This is innovation. Now, let's suppose if you did overfill the tire, and that happens sometimes. Oh my God, 3 honks of the horn. You've overfilled. Simply, all you got to do is just back the pressure back out of what you put into there. That's easy. 1 honk, you're done. Set, no bothers, no nothing. Innovation from Nissan. Amazing.